People are spending lakhs to experience Switzerland, Bali, and Europe. Meanwhile, India quietly has floating clouds in Meghalaya, panoramic views in Sikkim, peaceful backwaters in Kerala, snowy mountains in Himachal, and unreal landscape in Ladakh. So, after PM Modi's speech, are Indians finally going to explore their own country more? Because honestly, the more you travel in India, the more you realize one thing. This country is not one destination, it's multiple worlds inside one nation. Part 1. Why this conversation matters. Let's be honest, when we think of a dream vacation, most people instantly think about Thailand, Bali, Switzerland, Europe. And yes, those places are beautiful, but somewhere along the way, many Indians stopped realizing how insanely beautiful our own country actually is. The crazy part, some Indian destinations don't just complete with international trips. They genuinely feel world class. And the best part is easier travel, no currency stress, no visa anxiety, familiar food, family friendly, and emotionally it feels closer to home. Part 2. Sikkim, India's little Switzerland. Let's start with Sikkim. And honestly, there are moments in Sikkim where you genuinely forget you're in India. Snow-covered mountains, crystal clear roads, monasteries, peaceful cafes, cold mountain air, places like Gangtok, Lachung, Yumthang Valley, Gurudong Marg Lake look straight out of a European postcard. And what makes Sikkim special is not just beauty, it's peace. No chaos, no unnecessary crowd, no rush. For couples, it feels romantic and calming. For family, it feels safe, clean and refreshing. And hidden gems like Zuluk, Ravlanga, Peleng still feel untouched compared to mainstream tourist spots. Part 3. Meghalaya, the land above clouds. Now let's talk about Meghalaya. This place doesn't really feel real. Imagine waking up literally above clouds, waterfalls everywhere, rain-covered mountains, natural bridges, tiny scenic villages. Shillong gives calm hill station vibes, while places like Cherrapunji, Donkey, Melong feels magical. And the Doki River, the water is so transparent, boats literally look like they are floating in the air. That's not a filter, that's Meghalaya. For couple, it's dreamy and cinematic. For family, it's peaceful, nature-filled and educational for kids too. And hidden places like Shonpendang, Laitung Canyon still feels unexplored. Part 4. Kerala, India's own tropical paradise. Now if Bali and tropical luxury had an Indian version, it would probably be Kerala. Kerala has a completely different energy. Slow mornings, green landscapes, rainy weather, backwaters, houseboats, Ayurveda, coastal cafes. Places like Munnar, Elapedi, Vayand, Varkala offer completely different experiences in one trip. One day you are in tea plantations, the next day you are staying in a houseboat. For couple, Kerala means peaceful, romantic and luxury, and for family it means comfortable and relaxing. And honestly, the hospitality in Kerala makes the experience even more special. Hidden gems Vagamong, Mayur, Poovar Island absolutely deserves more attention. Part 5. Himachal, the classic mountain escape. Now let's talk about the destination most Indians emotionally connect with, Himachal. No matter how many countries people visit, Himachal somehow always brings them back. And maybe because it offers something beyond beauty. Freedom, road trips, cafes, snowfall, mountain sunsets, bonfires, quiet villages. Places like Manali, Kasol, Jibhi, Tirthan Valley, Spiti all have completely different personalities. For couples, Himachal feels adventurous and romantic. For family, it feels nostalgic and refreshing. And honestly, places like Jibhi and Tirthan Valley now give the same cozy mountain town feeling people search for internationally. Part 6. Ladakh, mountain magic and unreal landscapes. Then comes Ladakh, a destination that honestly feels more like another planet than a part of India. You have Leh, Nubra Valley, Pangong Lake, Tasumurori, Magnetic Hill, and every place feels completely different from the last. Pangong Lake during sunrise honestly looks unreal. Nubra Valley gives you cold desert landscapes and peaceful luxury stays, and Tasumurori That place still feels raw, untouched, and incredibly peaceful. For couples, Ladakh offers scenic road trips, cozy mountain stays, and unforgettable sunsets. For family, it offers adventure, nature, culture, and experience you genuinely remember for years. And maybe that's why once people visit Ladakh, they keep planning to go back again. Part 7. Why these destinations feels international. So why do these places feel like international vacations? Because modern traveler does not want sightseeing anymore. People want peaceful experiences, beautiful stays, weather, cafes, slow travel, nature, emotional connection. And these Indian destinations already offer all of that. Sometimes even better. Without visa stress, without currency conversion anxiety, without 12-hour international flights. And honestly, many foreigners are already exploring these places. Maybe now Indians are finally realizing their value too. So maybe PM Modi was right about one thing. Before searching for beauty outside India, maybe we should first experience the beauty inside our own country. Because India is not lacking destinations. We simply haven't explored enough of them yet. So tell me in the comments which Indian destination feels the most international. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who's planning their next vacation.